Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. So first off, I'm going to be making overnight oats. I always make these the night before, that way in the morning I don't even have to do anything and they're just already prepped. So the first thing I'm going to do is take half a cup of old-fashioned oats. I'm going to add this to both little containers. I'm making one for me and one for Adrena. Then I'm going to take half a cup of plain unsweetened almond milk. Guys, I really recommend you guys get the organic kind. Unsweetened, don't get silk because it just doesn't taste right. Next, I'm going to be taking some chia seeds. These are great for omega-3s. We don't eat a lot of fish in my house, so this helps, and it also has protein, fiber, and iron. Then I'm going to be taking some flax seeds, which again are great for omega-3s and just have a lot of nutrients in them. Then I'm going to be taking some cinnamon and just adding that on top. Cinnamon is a fat burner, so that is good if you're trying to lose weight, but it also just has a bunch of health benefits. Next, I'm going to be just adding some raw organic honey. This is just going to sweeten it up a bit, and if you guys did not know, honey also prevents cancer and has tons of health benefits. Lastly, I just added some fruit, and then there you go. Put it in the fridge, and in the morning it is ready to go. Honestly, you guys, this is our most eaten and made breakfast of all time. We probably have this like 5 times a week. I make it all the time for Eddie to take to work, and it's just something quick and easy, especially if you're a mom. Alright, next up are snacks. Our snacks vary every single day. Some days we'll have some fruit, some days we'll have some crackers, some days we'll have some veggies, but today we just had organic carrots, and I also made a green tea with honey. Okay, moving on to snack number 2, and I kid you not, you guys, Adrena probably has like 10 snacks a day, but for today we actually had Triscuits and some cheese. After my workouts, I usually alternate between having a protein shake or an actual meal, but today I had a protein shake. So I just added 1 cup of organic almond milk with 1 banana, along with 1 scoop of my protein powder. Now, even though my protein powder is sweet, I still like to add 1 big tablespoon of organic cacao powder. This has more calcium than regular cow's milk for those of you who are vegetarian or vegan, and it also aids in depression. I just add about 4 or 5 ice cubes because I like mine more on the thick side opposed to the runny side. So I just go ahead and put the lid on and then blend it up. Okay, for dinner, I'm gonna be making vegan enchiladas. The first thing you wanna do is go ahead and cut up your potatoes and get out some carrots while you boil some water. This is gonna be the ingredients for the cheese sauce, so you're just gonna put them in the pot and let them boil for 25 minutes. And I know what you guys are thinking, oh my gosh, potatoes and carrots, how can that make cheese sauce? But I promise you, it's gonna taste so good. After the 25 minutes is up, you're just going to take the boiled potatoes and carrots and add them to a blender. Then I just got a can of sliced jalapenos, and I'm just going to add the juice to it to make it a little spicy. I also added about 3 or 4 slices of jalapenos. Just add as many as you like. If you like spice, add more, but Adrena was eating this, so I couldn't add too much. After that, I just added a few tablespoons of lemon juice. I usually use real lemons, but I was all out. Next, I'm going to be taking some nutritional yeast, and this is what's going to give it that really cheesy flavor. I add quite a bit. Nutritional yeast is really good for protein, has a lot of B12, and it also helps keep your hair and nails nice. So I forgot to record that I added about 1 cup of the boiled water that we used, and this is going to help make it really nice and smooth. Honestly, guys, this recipe is super versatile, so you can even add chunky salsa or whatever you like. Just play around with it. Next, I'm going to take some olive oil and heat that up in the pan. And I'm going to grab my tofu, my enchilada sauce, and my black beans. And then what I want to do is go ahead and drain the tofu and rinse it off and then towel dry it. Once the oil has heated up, I'm just going to crumble the tofu into the pan, and then I'm going to take some seasoning. Today I'm using half a packet of the Taco Bell seasoning. And after I mixed it up, I literally walk away and just let my tofu sit, and that's going to give it that really nice crispy brown color that we want. You don't want it to be mushy, you literally want to just let it sit. Once I've drained my beans, I add it to the tofu, and then I'm just going to add the enchilada sauce to the pan. I also heat up the tortillas, and then I roll them with the tofu and the beans. Pretty self-explanatory. Whatever sauce is remaining, I just added it to the top, and then once that's done, I add the cheese sauce, and I just pour it all over. You can add as much as you like. I like to start off with a little bit, and then once I bake it, then I'll add more to my own personal plate. That way it doesn't get too soggy. This is all leftover sauce, so you can use it for chips and dip or whatever you like. But then I just added some onion. I usually add tomato and cilantro, but I didn't have any. So I just baked it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and this is the end result. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see next. Do you like these kind of videos? Do you want more recipes? Let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.